We're doing it again. We're giving away a custom Harley-Davidson Sportster. Every build has gotten better and better, and this is my favorite yet. Here's the loveliest fun.
Out here, tired of being patient. I was waiting in line. What you want is never enough. But what you need is just a little more time.
The bike was designed, built, and painted by women.
And you can use my credit card. Never mind the sunshine. I wanna be your spot.
7 women have taken home our past giveaways, and you could be next. Don't miss your chance to win our loveliest build.